Hi guys, let us talk about vocal de-essing in FL Studio. And this video basically is to show you an amazing stock plugin inside FL Studio that will give you that smooth taming on those annoying harsh frequencies on your vocals. And the beautiful part is this, it will utilize nothing from your processor. So let me show you how. Go to your recorded vocal and on that channel, insert patcher. When it comes up, this is how it's gonna look. But don't worry, go to the preset, right click, go down and choose Intelligent De-esser. Guys, trust me, this is all you need. Now, all these functions here, you can read about it to know more about it on the map section. Click on the map and go down to documentation, tap on it and the manual pops up. Now guys, it's easy and simple to understand, but I'm not going to dive into explaining what all those features do. So I will quickly close it. The first thing I must advise you is, if you want to get the best out of this de-essing plugin inside FL Studio, it is highly recommended that you apply this de-esser first on your vocal before adding a compressor or any other plugin for a better result. So guys, let me quickly show you. This is the sample I'm going to use for this demonstration. Now let's engage this patcher. How do we engage? You click on this button right here, the inspect button, and then you preview. Good. Now, the three most important knobs here are sensitivity, range, and frequency. It's not like every other knob are not important, they're important, but these three knobs are the knobs you will often use to set the de-esser to get what you want. The next thing I will do is to preview it and set the frequency I want to get rid of from the vocals. Yeah, at this point I am okay. So the other step I will take is to set the range to the point I am comfortable. What I actually mean is to the point where those harsh frequencies are reduced and controlled. Sun, the sun, the sun, the sun. As you can hear, that is a little bit too much. So I'm gonna call it down to the point I am okay with. The sun, the sun, the sun, the sun. Alright guys, so now let's do A/B test to see the difference. This is without the sun and this is with the sun, the sun. For me that was a little bit too much, so I will call it down a little bit more. The sun. At that level, so guys, at that level I am very comfortable with it. But it all depends on what you want to achieve. So when you are using this, you need to pay very close attention so as not to cut the whole S's off from your vocals. The other knob we'll talk about is this sensitivity knob. As you can see, I pull it up all to the max. The reason is I want to clearly hear what this plugin is doing on my vocals, because I discovered that when you take it down, you struggle to know the impact of the plugin on the vocal you're processing. For me, I love leaving it at the max. Now, according to the manual, they said the smooth makes the de-essing plugin act lazy on the material you are processing. So guys, I would suggest you read and apply it, check out this plugin. And remember that this tutorial is just to let those that don't know about it get to know about it. And also those that are struggling with third-party plugins that are processor demanding will get the opportunity to use a professional sounding de-esser and at the same time save their processor and memory. So that will be it for today, and let me know what you think about this plugin in the comment section and your findings. I will be so happy to learn as well from you guys, and thank you for your time. If this is your first time coming across this channel, please do like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell, and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.